Welcome to PhD Power Up AI Tools Edition. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. But not to worry, we're not building robots. Today at least. We're talking about AI tools that can help you, yes, navigate the challenging yet rewarding world of PhD research. Now I get it. Research can sometimes feel like you're lost in a vast cosmic web of information. But think of these AI tools as your very own intellectual telescopes, helping you cut through the noise and focus on what matters most, your groundbreaking discoveries. Whether you're knee-deep in literature reviews, wrestling with data analysis, or perfecting your thesis, there's an AI tool out there that can lighten your load and accelerate your progress. So buckle up, get ready for some serious mental stimulation, and let's explore these game-changing AI tools. Welcome to our guide on the top AI tools that can supercharge your PhD research journey. Whether you're just starting out or deep into your thesis, these tools can help streamline your process and enhance your productivity. Let's face it, keeping track of research papers, articles, and books can feel like herding cats, right? You read something insightful, then it disappears into the black hole of your computer. That's where reference management tools like Zotero and Mendeley come to the rescue. These tools are your personal librarians, diligently storing all your references in one organized place. Imagine having a universe of knowledge at your fingertips with every star a different citation, all meticulously categorized and ready to be summoned into existence within your paper with just a few clicks. No more scrambling to find that one elusive DOI or manually formatting bibliographies. But wait, there's more. These tools can automatically generate citations and bibliographies in various formats, saving you precious time and brain power for the really important stuff, like, actually writing your research. Literature reviews, the bedrock of any good research, but often a daunting task, like mapping the constellations with the naked eye. But fear not, aspiring scholars. We have AI tools like Connected Papers and ResearchGate to guide you through this academic cosmos. Connected Papers. Think of it as your own personal research assistant. You feed it a research paper and it magically maps out a web of related publications, highlighting key connections and influential works. It's like having a roadmap to the most relevant literature in your field, allowing you to quickly identify the key players and understand the existing research landscape. And then there's ResearchGate, a vibrant online community for researchers worldwide. It's like attending a never-ending academic conference, where you can connect with colleagues, access millions of publications, and even directly message authors. All right, data enthusiasts, it's your time to shine. We're entering the realm of data analysis, where raw data transforms into meaningful insights. And our trusty sidekicks on this journey? Python and R, the dynamic duo of programming languages for data wrangling and statistical sorcery. Python, with its elegant syntax and versatile libraries like Pandas and NumPy, makes data manipulation feel like a breeze. Imagine effortlessly cleaning, transforming, and analyzing massive datasets, all while sipping your coffee. It's like having a superpowered calculator that understands your data's language. And then there's R, the statistical powerhouse, renowned for its comprehensive packages for statistical testing and stunning data visualizations. Whether you're building regression models, conducting hypothesis tests, or creating publication quality graphs, R has got you covered. Chapter 4. Writing with AI Flair. Grammarly and Quillbot, your personal writing assistants. Writing, the art of transforming thoughts into compelling prose. It's the cornerstone of academic communication, but let's be honest, it can be a real brain drainer. But fear not, wordsmiths, for we have Grammarly and Quillbot, your digital writing companions, here to make your writing shine brighter than a supernova. Grammarly, your ever-vigilant grammar guru, swoops in to catch those pesky typos, grammatical errors, and stylistic inconsistencies in real time. It's like having a meticulous editor reviewing your every word, ensuring your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. And then there's Quillbot, the paraphrasing maestro. It helps you rephrase sentences and paragraphs while preserving their original meaning. Need to avoid plagiarism, improve clarity, or simply find a fresh way to express an idea? Quillbot is your go-to tool. Chapter 5. Academic Integrity Guardians, Plagiarism Detection Tools. Now, let's talk about academic integrity, the ethical foundation of all research. Plagiarism, even unintentional, is a serious offense. Think of it like claiming someone else's scientific discovery as your own. Not cool, right? That's where plagiarism detection tools like Turnitin and Grammarly's plagiarism checker come in, acting like your academic conscience. These tools compare your work against a vast database of academic and online sources, flagging any potential instances of plagiarism. Remember, these tools are not meant to catch you out, but to help you maintain the highest standards of academic integrity. They empower you to cite your sources correctly, ensuring your work is original and ethically sound. Statistical Significance Seekers, SPSS, and MATLAB for advanced analysis. For those venturing into the exciting world of advanced statistical analysis, SPSS and MATLAB are your trusty companions. They are the statistical telescopes allowing you to peer deeper into your data and unlock hidden patterns and relationships. SPSS, known for its user-friendly interface, makes complex statistical analysis accessible to researchers of all technical levels. It's like having a statistical consultant at your fingertips, guiding you through every step of hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and more. Then there's MATLAB, the programming language of choice for numerical computing and advanced data visualization. If you're dealing with complex datasets, simulations, or need to create stunning visual representations of your findings, MATLAB is your secret weapon. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in research. Visualizing your data can transform a jumble of numbers into a compelling story, making your findings accessible and engaging for any audience. Enter Tableau, the data visualization superstar, renowned for its interactive dashboards and ability to handle massive data sets. With Tableau, you can create stunning charts, maps, and dashboards that bring your data to life, revealing hidden trends and patterns. But what if your research involves networks, relationships, and complex connections? That's where GEFI shines, the go-to tool for network analysis and visualization. Imagine mapping out social networks, citation patterns, or even the spread of ideas. GEFI makes it possible. PhD research, my friends, is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying organized is key to avoiding the dreaded chaos and keeping your research on track. This is where project management tools like Trello and Notion become your digital command centers. Trello, with its intuitive Kanban boards, allows you to visually track your tasks, deadlines, and progress. Imagine each research task as a card on a board, moving smoothly through different stages of completion. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay on top of your research game. And then there's Notion, the versatile workspace for all your research needs. Think of it as your digital research notebook, a central hub for notes, ideas, project plans, and even web clippings. It's like having an infinitely expandable digital brain helping you wrangle all your research materials in one place. Research doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Collaboration is key to sparking new ideas, refining your thinking, and achieving groundbreaking results. And in our digitally connected world, tools like Overleaf and Slack make collaborating with colleagues seamless and efficient. Overleaf, the online LaTeX editor, is a godsend for collaborative writing. Imagine multiple authors working on the same document simultaneously, seeing each other's changes in real time. It's like having a virtual writing room where ideas flow freely and papers take shape effortlessly. And then there's Slack, the communication hub for teams of all sizes. Create dedicated channels for your research project. Share files, have quick chats, and even integrate it with other tools like Trello and Google Drive. It's like having a virtual research lab where communication flows as freely as the coffee. So there you have it, fellow knowledge seekers. We've journeyed through the exciting world of AI tools designed to empower your PhD research. From taming your references to collaborating with colleagues, these tools can transform your research journey, making it more organized, efficient, and dare I say, even enjoyable. Remember, technology is a powerful ally in the pursuit of knowledge. Embrace these AI tools, experiment with them, and discover how they can amplify your research efforts, leading you to new discoveries and insights. And as always, keep those curious minds engaged. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep pushing the boundaries of human understanding. Until next time, happy researching. With these AI tools, your PhD research journey can be more organized, efficient, and productive. Embrace technology to elevate your research experience.